Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. Today, we will learn how to register a face in the Site application. Site is a plugin that uses face recognition to mark attendance, and it is integrated with TrackHr. First, open the Site application on your phone. When the app opens, you will see two options. Select Scan TrackHr QR code. Allow the permission by selecting while using the app. Now, scan the QR code. You can find the QR code in your TrackHr account. To get the QR code, open TrackHr on your phone. Click on the three-line menu in the top left corner. You will see the QR code next to your profile photo. If possible, scan the QR code directly. Otherwise, you can use a screenshot. Take a screenshot of the QR code. Now, select this screenshot from your gallery and scan the QR code in the Site app. Next, click on the person icon in the top right corner. Scan the TrackHr QR code again. If you have admin rights for the Site Face plugin, the registration screen will open. Here, you will see your team members. Select the person whose face you want to register. The camera will open, and you need to scan the face. During face registration, the app will automatically give step-by-step instructions. Please increase your speaker volume so you can hear the instructions clearly. Once all the instructions are completed successfully, the face will be registered. The person icon next to the employee's name will turn blue. Now, the employee can mark attendance using face recognition. Thank you.